Royal Enfield took the wraps off its flagship cruiser, Super Meteor 650, during the EICMA motorcycle show in Milan, Italy on the 8th of November. The third motorcycle in the brand's lineup to feature a 648cc parallel twin engine, after the Interceptor and the Continental GT650, the Super Meteor 650 promises 47 horsepower and 52 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed transmission. Expected to be showcased at the upcoming Ridermania Bike Fest to be held in Goa from 18th to 20th November, the Super Meteor 650 will carry a premium in its price tag compared to RE's existing 650cc lineup, which starts at Rs 2.8 lakh for the Interceptor. However, even at about 3 lakhs starting, the Super Meteor 650 will be the only 650cc twin cruiser in the market in this price bracket. The Super Meteor, in fact, will offer the option to purchase a middleweight cruiser even to those in the market for a 300 to 400cc sports motorcycle or a roadster or an ADV. For example, the Kawasaki Ninja 300 is priced at Rs 3.2 lakh and the KTM 250 Adventure carries a price tag of Rs 2.8 lakh. Which would mean stretching the budget a bit and bringing home a big 650cc cruiser. That is, of course, if a prospective buyer is fond of cruisers, since the likes of 250 ADV and Ninja 300 are purpose-built motorcycles. India has had a long love affair with cruiser motorcycles that offer a feet-forward, relaxed riding style. While there are plenty of premium cruisers from the house of Harley-Davidson or Indian Motorcycles, for example, the affordable side of the spectrum only has had 200 to 300cc cruisers. Another interesting detail about the Super Meteor is that it offers upgraded equipment like upside-down forks, which is a first on a Royal Enfield motorcycle. And it can be had with either a single seat or two. Like all Enfield motorcycles, the Super Meteor will also get its own accessories for personalization, like making it more touring friendly. It needs to be mentioned that the Super Meteor definitely looks unlike any Royal Enfield motorcycle and clearly has a big bike personality to it that should be appealing to fans of cruiser-style motorcycles in India and international markets. We will bring you more details about the launch and price. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel to stay updated.